As the most drastically updated machine in Silhouette's new line of cutters, what exactly sets the Curio 2 apart from the Cameo and the Portrait machines? Well, what immediately stands out is going to be the new form factor of the Curio 2. It's not only Silhouette's first ever flatbed cutter, but it's also the only flatbed in its class. What's so awesome about the Curio 2 is that it was designed with more than just cutting in mind. Adding to Silhouette's power and ease of use is the automatic height detection feature, where the machine automatically measures the thickness of an item to ensure that proper force is applied on all of your projects. The built-in electrostatic mat is a huge technological advance that brings you curl-free and tear-free cuts on even the thinnest of materials, with super easy weeding and cleanup. By integrating a built-in power supply for Silhouette's powered tools on the second station, the Curio 2 stands tall as a one-stop crafting powerhouse. What's really exciting are the two unique power tools that are only compatible with the Curio 2, the Power Engraver and Leather Punch tool. The Power Engraver is ready to engrave your detailed designs onto a variety of materials like acrylic, metallic sheets, silver clay, and more. This is done by the special high-speed rotating ball tip that draws its power directly from the machine. When using the Power Engraver, you'll also want to use the Curio 2 debris tray to capture shavings and material grounds and keep your general workspace clean. One feature that you won't find anywhere else is Curio 2's ability to punch holes into cardstock and leatherette materials with the powered Leather Punch tool. Available with tip sizes of 1mm, 3mm, and 5mm, the rotating tip provides clean, uniform hole punches with precise spacing on your supported materials. With the Leather Punch tool, you'll want to use Silhouette's embossing mat as well. This is essential for protecting the surface of the built-in electrostatic mat on your Curio 2. Like the Cameo 5 and the Portrait 4, the Curio 2 comes standard with an auto blade, and it supports the new heat pen and pen holder. The heat pen, which we've covered in a previous video, is able to sketch your designs with heat transfer foil, ready for surfaces like cardstock and faux leather. If you want to sketch your designs using ink instead, the pen holder allows you to load your machine with standard pens and markers. This tool includes 3 adapter sizes of small, medium, and large, and it brings so much versatility to your Curio 2. There's also a new embossing tool for the Cameo 5 and Curio 2. The embossing tool can be used to add stunning dimension and a luxe touch to projects made with embossing foil. It also works wonderfully to score and emboss cardstock and other paper products. Don't forget to use the embossing mat for this tool as well. With the flatbed design and loads of new technology and features, the Silhouette Curio 2 is ready to blow the doors wide open on your creative opportunities and potential products. What would you want to use the Curio 2 to make? Let us know in the comments. And to shop our huge selection of Silhouette products and other heat transfer equipment, visit us at heatpressnation.com.